Meaning of hydration.
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 Hydration. Hydration refers to the process of adding water or fluids to the body in order to maintain proper functioning. It is a crucial component of a healthy lifestyle and can be achieved through drinking water, consuming fruits and vegetables with high water content, and other beverages such as sports drinks. Proper hydration can lead to improved physical performance, decreased risk of heat exhaustion and heat stroke, improved cognitive function, and better overall health. On the other hand, dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and even more serious health complications, making hydration an essential aspect of daily life.